In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix network file and folder sharing in Windows 11. Start by setting your network to private. Click the Start button in the center of the taskbar, then click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Network and Internet. On the right side, click Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on the connection you are using. At the top, click your connected network name. In the Network Profile section, select Private Network. Windows blocks sharing on public networks, so changing this to private tells Windows that this is a trusted network where file sharing is allowed. Next, turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Stay in Settings and click Network and Internet again in the left sidebar. Scroll down on the right and click Advanced Network Settings. Then click Advanced Sharing Settings. Find Private Networks and expand that section. Turn on Network Discovery. Right below that, turn on File and Printer Sharing. Both toggles should now be switched on under Private Networks. This allows your computer to discover other devices on the network, and also lets other devices access shared files from your PC. Now open the Services window so you can make sure the required network discovery services are running. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type services.msc, then press Enter. The Services window will open with a full list of Windows services. Click once anywhere inside the list so it is active. Then type Function Discovery Provider Host. As you type, Windows will jump to that service in the list. When it is highlighted, right-click it and choose Properties. In the Startup Type menu, set it to Automatic. Click Apply. Under Service Status, click Start if the service is not already running, then click OK. Now move to the service directly below it, called Function Discovery Resource Publication. Right-click that service and click Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply. If the service is not running, click Start. Then click OK. Next, click anywhere in the list again and type SDP Discovery. When that service is highlighted, right-click it and choose Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic, then click Apply. If the service is not started yet, click Start under Service Status. Click OK to save that change. After that, scroll down in the list until you find UPnP Device Host. Right-click it and open Properties. Change Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply. If it is not running, click Start. Then click OK. When all four services have been updated, close the Services window. These services control how Windows finds devices and announces your computer on the network. If one of them is disabled or left on manual, other PCs may not be able to see your system. Next, allow file sharing through the firewall. Click the Start button again and type Firewall. In the search results, click Windows Defender Firewall. In the left sidebar, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. At the top of the next window, click Change Settings so the list becomes editable. Scroll down until you find File and Printer Sharing. Look across that row and make sure the private checkbox is checked. If it is not checked, click the box to enable it. Then click OK at the bottom to save the firewall rule. Windows updates sometimes reset these permissions, so this step makes sure sharing traffic is allowed on your private network. At this point, the main fixes are done. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now verify that sharing is working. Open File Explorer and click Network in the left sidebar. Check whether other computers on your network appear there. Your Windows 11 PC should also now be visible to other devices, and you should be able to access shared folders from other computers. If you see a banner that says Network Discovery is turned off, then the changes have not fully taken effect yet. Restart your PC, then open File Explorer and check the Network section again.